The universe started as a tiny little speck with infinite volume. That speck got so hot that in order to cool down, it had to expand, stretching its mass across space. This mass was mainly a mix of hydrogen and helium, which squeezed together to form stars, like our sun. However, our sun does not exist yet. So, here is how our solar system was formed. It's called the nebular theory. So, the nebular theory is that there was a really cold nebula next to a really super hot sun. And that sun got super hot, which I already said. But it got so hot it used nuclear fusion, which is basically hydrogen and helium atoms mixing together to make larger elements. And pretty soon, it had made all the elements. Eventually, this star, or elemental factory, as I like to call it, exploded, or as scientists like to call it, went supernova. After the star went supernova, it scattered all of the elements it had made inside of it into the nearby nebula. The elements all got pulled into the center by gravity and started spinning the nebula out flat, so that the nebula looked like a disk or a frisbee. This formed our galaxy, with the sun in the middle. And sooner or later, all the planets started forming around it and started orbiting the sun like this. Now, if the universe started from one tiny speck, that would mean that all the little particles inside of it would have spread everywhere. Wouldn't that mean that some of the same particles that are here on Earth got spread all the way over there? Some more proof that there is life on another planet is that the sun is a star. And our planet is in the Goldilocks zone of that star. The Goldilocks zone is the distance away from the sun that a planet has to be in order to sustain life. So, if there is a sun here, which is a star, there could essentially be another star with its own Goldilocks zone and its own planets and its own planet in its Goldilocks zone, which has life on it. Not only could there just be another sun, but there could also be another galaxy, which there are. There are millions of other galaxies in the universe, which could have their very own solar system. So, there could definitely be life on another planet.